Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If you want to learn or be updated about anything that has to do with earning money online, cryptocurrency, law of attraction, and a lot more, please like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you and enjoy watching. So guys, in this video we will talk about how to mine Shiba Inu token directly into our computer for free. But before that guys, let's see how much is the current value of the Shiba Inu token. And when we look at CoinMarketCap, the current value is 0.000007922 and it has a 7.12% increase in the last 24 hours. And if you want to know more about Shiba token or Shiba Inu token, you can read from their website at shibatoken.com. So again, it is shibatoken.com. And just an update, guys. Just recently, a few days ago, Shiba Inu was already listed in Binance. So now we will download this a miner software which is called Unminable, and you can download it from unminable.com. So as you can see guys, there is a Shiba Inu token option here from where you can mine, and you also have 50 plus more kind of tokens or type of different types of tokens that you can mine using this free software. But in this video, we will just focus our topic in Shiba Inu token. So before we download this software, guys, we just have to turn off our Windows security so that we will not have any problem in downloading this software. Because by default, guys, this miner software will be detected as a virus by your computer. So in order to do that, guys, just click on these three dots in here in your right side and click on settings. Then click on security. And by default, you have this standard protection. And what we will do now is click on no protection or not recommended. Okay, so we will turn it off. But guys, don't worry. After we download the software, we will turn it back on. So now that we already have our Windows security turned off, we will now download this software. Okay, so we will use this main version. Okay, so that means we will have to download all the files that we will be needing. So let's click on download. Okay, then let's go to our download page or download folder. Extract. Okay, so let's try this one. So let's say we will now rename this. Okay, so let's just rename it as Unminable Miner 1.1 2021, let's say. So after that, just copy and we will save it into our desktop. So it's here. So after that, guys, we still have to download one more. So click on Shib and then click on this Shiba again and click on Random X and then choose this our mining app. All right. And then just go down here. And then you can see that you have this XM rig setup guide. Just click on this. And then you will see this file or this link. Click on that link. All right. And then just scroll down. And then you will see the files that you need to download in here. So in my case, I'm using Windows 10 64-bit. So I will just download this file, this zip folder. Okay. So click on that. Then click on show folder, show in folder. And then you will see your file in here. Just right click and extract, okay, using this one, and you will see this file. So after that, guys, all you have to do, guys, is right click on this, copy, okay, after extract, right click and copy, then go to your desktop, locate the folder, okay, the previous folder, the unminable folder, okay, and then paste it in here. So after that, guys, just go back to the website again, okay, to this the previous website, okay, and then just scroll down, and then you can see this command. All you have to do, guys, is copy this, okay, and be sure that you need to change this coin, okay, to SHIB. So let's try this. All you have to do is copy, okay, and then what you will need to do is go back to your folder, double click the xmrig folder, and then you will see this start.bat file. So just right click and then click on edit, and then paste it in here, okay. So now, guys, this coin, okay, this coin, you have to change it to SHIB, okay, and then this, your wallet, your underscore address until here, you need to paste your SHIB wallet address. So I will paste mine. Okay. And then change this worker underscore name only until here. Okay. And name it anything you want. But for me, I will just use my computer name. So I will just put this like this. And then after that, click on save. Now, guys, what we will need to do now is we need to turn on our computer or our Windows security. So just click on this, go back to security, and then click on standard protection. So after that, what we need to do now is right click, is click on this Windows icon. All right, and then click on this setting. Okay, and then click on network update and security. Then click on Windows security. Then click on virus and threat. Then go to this virus and threat protection settings. Click on manage setting. So after that, guys, all you have to do is go to exclusion. Click on add or remove exclusion and click on add exclusion. Click on folder. Click on this unminable folder in our desktop. Okay, so click on this and then select folder. After that, click on add an exclusion again, and by this time click on file. So click on file, then locate the folder again, double click, and now you have to select or locate the xmrig file, okay, or the exe file. So click on this, click again, and then you can see this xmrig application. So click on that and then click on open. So now, guys, you need to open your folder from your desktop. So after you open, click on this unminable miner, the software, guys. Double click on continue. So now, because I will be mining using the CPU, I will just use and click on CPU and then click on update. By default, guys, this should be blank. So what you need to do, guys, is click on this, okay, and then locate this folder, the file, the xmrig file from your desktop, okay. Double click and then click on xmrig, and then click on open, okay. So after that, click on next. So you will see, guys, that in the coin section, it is automatically selected Shiba Inu, and your wallet address is automatically already updated in here. And in here, guys, you will have the option to use my referral code if you want, guys, because you will have a discount of 0.75% in your withdrawal fee. Then after that, guys, just click on start. So after that, guys, you will see that you have this hash rate. So my current hash rate is 34.41 hash, and I already got 38.44 SHIB tokens. Okay, so what you can do, guys, is you can close the folder and just leave this software running. So just keep it open. You can just drag it anywhere you want, and you can do anything or any other task in your computer. Just leave it open so that it will continue to mine for you. Thank you so much again, guys, for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please like, share, and subscribe. Once again, always keep safe and God bless.